said to me, Adam was inspired to advance. He was inspired to advance. Even if you try and fail, let it be that you try and fail. Now listen, failure does not mean you are a disappointment. Failure is that you have discovered the way you cannot do it again. The way you must not do it and then discover the way you can do it better. If you have discovered that way you did it and it failed, you must not follow that path again. You must advance. So everything that has to do with failure will lead you to the next level. We are in the world when you say this thing is not possible. You listen. I think I said when I was looking for chairs, the chairs were put here. Everything about our meditation, everything I believe about that chair that it is foreign. It is what? So I was trying to say, okay, let me look for those who import seats. The particular that I went to the market looking for it, the market, furniture market there, so 3. Everything I had was that it was what? Foreign. Until I came on that shop to discover that they manufactured it in Lagos here and they even have a place here in Bangladesh.